everyone, my name is Karen and I'm the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on where to look for academic enrichment programs. In this workshop, I will guide you through different things that you can do and different places where you can look for academic enrichment programs. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go over some of the types of academic enrichment programs: pre-college programs, internships, jobs, and school clubs and organizations. I will go over what each of these terms mean in the upcoming slides. Let's start off with pre-college programs. A pre-college program is a program that is designed for students who wish to spend a summer at a college of their choice. And at this program, students are taking classes and experience the life of a student at the campus. And of course, there are residential and non-residential programs available. By residential and non-residential, I mean that students have the option to stay on campus, or maybe they are deciding to go to a pre-college program at their local college. What are the benefits of a pre-college program? The taste of campus life. Because the students are setting foot at an actual university during the summer, they have a taste of what being on a campus university is like. Students have the opportunity to gain college credit. Of course, because they will be taking college level courses, they have the opportunity to gain college credit that will transfer over to the university of their choice once they graduate from high school. Networking. Students have the opportunity to network with other high school students, maybe not from their area, and of course with professionals as well, because they will be taking college courses, so they also have the opportunity to talk with their professors as well. College level courses. Students are taking college level courses at these programs. Of course, they have the opportunity to choose what type of pre-college program they would like to attend, so they will be taking courses that they enjoy as well. And finally, students who attend pre-college programs have the advantage of getting a head start in college. As I mentioned before, the courses they take will transfer over, and they won't have to take those courses once they officially enroll as a freshman at a university. Where should you look for pre-college programs? Of course, you should check out the college websites. You can do a simple Google search that says pre-college programs at University of blank. So that is one way you can look for pre-college programs. Next, you can also check out the school billboards. Usually on school billboards, they will probably post some ads of some things that students are interested in, and there will probably be a pre-college program maybe for their local college. So they can go ahead and check that out as well. From their school staff or counselor. The school staff, such as teachers and your school counselor, probably already know some pre-college programs that are available, or maybe they know of someone who is working at a pre-college program, so you can go ahead and ask them as well. Friends and family. Maybe you have a cousin, or maybe you have some friends that are going to a pre-college program, so you should check with them as well. Maybe you can go and attend a pre-college program with your friend or family. Now let's move on with internships. Internships are temporary positions that are offered to students to gain experience in a professional setting. Now these positions are offered to both high school students and college students. They can be related to what you want to major in as well. What are the benefits of internships? First, it helps you in deciding a major that you want to pursue. Let's say you're a high school student who is still not sure what they want to major in. You should pursue an internship related to the occupation you want, or related to something that you're interested in, to see if that is actually something that you want to major in college. It helps you in gaining experience. Because you're pursuing an internship in something that you want to major in, most likely, then it helps you gain experience in that field. It helps you to gain skills as well. You have the opportunity to network with professionals in a field that you are interested in, and you can also probably reach out to them when you have graduated from college as well. It helps with resume building. These internships, because they are related to something you want to major in, it helps you in pursuing a job after college as well, and it helps you build your resume. Where should you look for internships? School billboards. As I mentioned before, these school billboards are probably filled with ads of some things that students in their school might be interested in. And in that case, it could be some internships. So they will probably have like an ad for an internship that you can check up on, and maybe they have their phone number, so you can call them to see if they are still accepting positions. Your school staff or counselor, and that could be teachers or your academic counselor as well. So you can ask them questions about where to look for internships. Local businesses. You can ask around your local businesses in your community to see if they are offering any internships for students in high school. Personal contacts, and by personal contacts I mean your friends and family, because maybe they know of someone in a higher position or someone in your family that has a job in a company that you're interested in. Internships.com, internshipprograms.com, idealist.com, and goabroad.com. The last one, goabroad.com, is a website for students who are interested in pursuing an internship abroad. Now let's move on to jobs. A job does not have to be related to what you want to major in. If you do want to pursue a job that is related to what you want to major in, then that is a bonus. And here are some benefits of a job. You start saving up for college. Of course, the main reason high school students look for a job is in order to save money. Students have the opportunity to gain experience, of course, and have the opportunity to gain some skills that are useful to their professional life as well. Work ethic. Most students do get their first job during high school, so you should get a job in order to experience what a work environment is like. And resume building. As I mentioned before, you want to build up your resume in order to gain some important skills that will be useful in the future. Where should you look for jobs? Your local library and community centers probably have some job postings. Personal contacts. This is why networking is important. So like that, you can reach out to people who may be hiring. Social media. My favorite social media website to look for jobs is LinkedIn, because right there you can build a profile where it is mostly like a resume, and recruiters can reach out to you to see if they are interested in having you for a job. Or you can also look out for other social media websites such as Twitter and Facebook or Instagram. Maybe some of your friends or some of your friends' followers posted something that they are hiring somewhere. And finally, here are some useful websites that you should check out as well. Snagajob.com, Indeed.com, and Monster.com. Next, let's move on to school clubs and organizations. These are activities that are held at your school itself and that are designed to provide students with learning, growth, development, and entertainment opportunities. So these clubs and organizations don't have to be academically related at all. What are the benefits of being involved in a school club or organization? You have the opportunity to gain skills. Just like the ones I mentioned before, these skills will help you in developing your professional skills that will be eventually useful in the future. Social opportunities. You have the opportunity to make friends. You have the opportunity to network as well. Resume building. Even though this is not specifically a job or internship, you can still add it to your resume. Self-esteem. Because you are involved in something that you're interested in, it boosts up your self-esteem, and it can also boost up your academics as well. And it helps you explore your interests. Maybe you don't know exactly what you're interested in, you would like to explore a lot of stuff, and that is completely fine. So these clubs and organizations can also help you in what you want to major in as well. And finally, where should you look for school clubs and organizations? School billboards, of course, because that is probably where most of the advertising for these clubs and organizations is going to happen. Your school staff or academic counselor, maybe one of these school staff is probably the head of one of these clubs or organizations, so you should check in with them as well. Just as an example, maybe your English teacher is in charge of the English club or the writing club. Friends, maybe one of your friends is involved in something that you're interested in as well, so you should reach out to them to see how you can join. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app. You can download our app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate any feedback you're able to give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop, or if you would like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.